I want to talk a little bit about a project that we got going on the farm. So we're gonna have some irrigation ponds built, and those irrigation ponds will have pipe that runs along the key line of the land. So instead of water wanting to go down into the creeks and out off the land, we're gonna capture water in ponds and then run that horizontally across the land and kind of like cover as much land as possible with those pipes instead of just having the water drain down. So the concept is that you're capturing water and then you're letting gravity do the work, but instead of gravity taking it straight down about 70 feet from the top to the bottom of our land, we're gonna make it go those 70 feet over a very long path. And so, if just as an example, so the bottom of the pond that we're gonna have on the top side of our land, the bottom of that pond is actually the same level as this ridge. So we can actually, this whole ridge top all the way, you know, a couple hundred feet past that tree line where our property ends. So this whole pasture is below our irrigation pond. So this, you know, in a very dry weather, this hilltop would not get very much water. But because all of the acres and acres of land over there are capturing water in a watershed that's above here, we can actually just run pipe to this area and irrigate with that water. So we'll be doing that over the course of the next year or so, but we'll basically be able to irrigate about 60% of our land, all the hills on 60% of our land with those irrigation ponds that are on the high end of our farm.